New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are going to be mostly cloudy today with a few light possible snow showers, but we are going to be pretty mild with temperatures in the 30s. Let's take a look at our CATV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are waking up mostly cloudy here this morning, and once again, a very mild and a calm wind outside. So we are expecting a possible light snow showers today, especially north of the Mohawk Valley. The wind is going to pick up once again tomorrow. It is going to feel pretty cold tomorrow with our highs just in the low 20s and that wind speed. We have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Saturday due to very low temperatures due to that Arctic front once again and wind speeds causing quite a wind chill Saturday morning. So here's why we issued that alert day. We are going to be seeing widespread, bitterly cold temperatures. Our high temperature right now is only forecasted at about 6 degrees, and that won't happen until the afternoon to evening hours. Highs around or just above zero for most of our areas. And Friday nights and Saturday morning, wind chill values are going to be 30 to 40 degrees below zero, and that is when frostbite can happen within 10 minutes to exposed skin. So this is why we did decide to issue another Storm Tracker 2 alert day. We do have a few wind chill watches in effect for Herkimer, Oneida, Madison, and Lewis counties. This goes into effect 7 p.m. tomorrow night and lasts until 1 p.m. on Saturday. We are looking at wind chills that are 30 to 40 degrees below zero once again, and that is when frostbite can happen to exposed skin within 10 minutes. So it might be a good idea to kind of either stay indoors or make sure you do bundle up Friday night and for the day on Saturday. That wind is going to be calm today, so it is going to feel pretty warm and pretty mild outside with our high temperatures in the mid-30s. The wind does pick up a little bit tomorrow, and our highs are only going to be in the low 20s, so it is going to feel quite chilly outside tomorrow, probably feeling like we are going to be in the single digits. Now, moving into Saturday, it is going to be breezy, and that is our Storm Tracker 2 alert day because of those very low temperatures and that breeze. Wind chill values are going to be very low. The wind does die down for Sunday. Looking at the high temperatures for today, sorry, this is not really working right now. We are going to be ranging in the low 30s in the North Country, mid 30s in the Mohawk Valley and in the southern valleys this morning. Once again, I am so sorry. Our graphics are not working this morning. I was trying to work around it, but not really working this morning. But once again, clouds are going to decrease on Friday, so we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies on Friday, a lot colder than today with our highs just in the low 20s. And on Saturday, we will see high temperatures in the single digits, so that is why it is our alert day. But for today, we have a high in the mid-30s. We are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies. Overnight tonight, lows dropping into the 20s, and a few snow showers are possible. So once again, Saturday is our Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to very, very low temperatures and very low wind chill values. We are closely tracking that storm that is off the East Coast on Monday. We may get some heavy snow from that. Back to you, Gary.
I think we should just have an alert week.
Yeah, no, not for me.
Hannah, thanks. An elected leader in Rome.
We're saying good morning to New York Mills and all of the greater Utica region. We do have a slight chance for some snow showers today, possibly adding to this total. But right now, to date, we are only at about a little over a foot of snow received at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. Our average is about 40 inches at this time, so we are about a little over 2 feet over from the amount of snow that we should be getting on average. So we are going to be seeing just a little bit chance of snow this morning here and in the evening hours tonight into early tomorrow morning. It is going to remain mostly dry tomorrow, though, and partly cloudy, a little bit colder with high temperatures in the low 20s and windy conditions. But for today, our high temperature is going to be in the mid 30s, so it is going to feel very mild outside today in comparison to the last couple of days. Even this morning, our temperatures are in the upper 20s, feeling a lot better than it had been the last couple of days. I will have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. You've likely heard of her, or are at least
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out mostly cloudy this morning, and we will remain mostly cloudy today. A few light scattered snow showers are possible, and it is going to get very cold tomorrow. Let's take a look at our CATV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies here this morning, but the winds are calm, and the temperature is already at 30 degrees. So we are going to be seeing possible light scattered snow showers today and tonight. Little accumulation expected. And as we get into tomorrow, it is going to be pretty windy, and our high temperature is only going to be in the low 20s, so the cooler weather does return for tomorrow. Saturday has been issued as a Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to very, very frigid temperatures. So here's why we did decide to issue another alert day for Saturday. There is another Arctic front that is moving through the area. This is going to bring, once again, widespread bitterly cold temperatures. Our high temperature forecasted so far is 6 degrees, so our high temperature is only going to be around 0 or just above. Especially Friday night and Saturday morning, our wind chill values are going to be as low as 30 to 40 degrees below 0. So this is when frostbite happens within 10 minutes to exposed skin. So this is why we did decide to issue a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Saturday. We already have a couple wind chill watches in effect. These go into effect tomorrow night at 7 p.m. and they last until 1 p.m. on Saturday. This is just because wind chill values are going to get as low as 30 to 40 degrees below 0, and that is when frostbite can happen within 10 minutes to exposed skin. So these are in effect so far for Madison, Oneida, Herkimer, and Lewis counties. So it is going to be calm today in terms of wind, so this might be our last mild day for a while. We are looking at high temperatures in the mid-30s, so it is going to feel pretty warm outside. The wind does pick up for tomorrow, feeling a little bit cold. We are going to be seeing highs just in the low 20s, feeling more like the teens and single digits because of that wind. The wind stays breezy on Saturday. That is why we are going to be getting very low wind chills, because our temperatures are going to be below 0 upon waking up. It is going to be a little bit breezy. The wind does die down as we get into Sunday. We did get some Skywatch reports from this morning. Once again, our temperatures are already ranging in the upper 20s to low 30s. We have 28 in Old Forge and Inlet, and we have 30 degrees already in Yorkville. If we do go down to the south, we are still looking at upper 20s to low 30s, 27 in Evanston and in Morris. So for today, we have a high in the mid 30s. It is going to be mostly cloudy outside. A few light scattered snow showers are possible throughout the day and in the overnight hours as lows drop into the 20s. So for tomorrow, we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies. It is going to be windy and very cold with highs just in the low 20s. Saturday is our Storm Tracker 2 alert day, as our high temperature is just around 0 or just above. And we are closely keeping an eye on that storm that is off the coast for Monday, possibly getting some heavy snow. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks for corrections officers.
Did just want to do a quick wind chill explainer, as we are going to be experiencing some wind chill tomorrow and definitely on Saturday. So when you go outside, your body heat warms up the surrounding air, and when there's no wind, it actually feels like the actual temperature, because we are not getting that wind whisking away at your body heat. When there is a wind, it kind of blows away your body heat, so it is feeling a lot colder than the actual temperature, feeling like negative 29 if there's a 20-mile-per-hour wind and the temperatures outside are at -5. So that is what the deal is going to be for tomorrow, and for Saturday it is going to feel very, very cold tomorrow night and Saturday morning. For today, a few light snow showers are expected. Not much accumulation is expected, and we are looking to remain dry Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And once again, very closely keeping an eye out on Monday. We are just giving you a heads up now. The models are still showing that we are going to be seeing some snow from this event that is going to be moving up the east coast of our area, that low pressure system. But it is still a little bit early this morning. Bill will probably have more information tonight about it. I'll have another look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Tomorrow we'll mark a big...
Here's a live look at our CATV tower camera in the early sunrise, but we are still seeing mostly cloudy skies. So we are seeing mostly cloudy skies today with some scattered light snow showers possible today and tonight. Little to no accumulation is expected. It is going to be windy and cold tomorrow. The cooler weather is going to return tomorrow, and Saturday is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day because another Arctic front is moving through. So we are going to be seeing very cold high temperatures just in the single single digits. Now for today, we have a high in the mid-30s. It is going to remain very mild. Overnight tonight, a low in the upper teens to low 20s. A few scattered snow showers are expected. I'll have another look at why we issued that alert day coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Governor Hochul has outlined a new plan.
Welcome back. Very mild weather is expected today. We have high temperatures above freezing in the mid-30s. So let's take a look at the temperature right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We are already at 28 degrees this morning, and the winds are calm, so that won't seem to be a problem today. As you are heading out the door, I would definitely grab the snow boots. There is still some slush and little snow accumulation on the sidewalks and in the parking lots, as well as your winter coat. Although we are going to be in the 30s, it is going to feel warm for us. It is still a bit cold outside. We did decide an issue a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Saturday because once again an Arctic front is moving through the area. This is going to bring widespread very low temperatures just around 0 or above and wind chills 30 to 40 degrees below 0. So that is what can cause frostbite in 10 minutes to exposed skin. We are also keeping an eye on that nor'easter on Monday. It is still kind of a little far out, just a heads up. Does still look like we are going to be receiving some heavy snow from this, but Bill and I will continue to track this and give you a snowfall forecast within the next 2 days. So for today, we have highs in the mid-30s. It is going to be mostly cloudy with a few light scattered snow showers expected, little accumulation. And once again, I will be explaining that alert day further coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. You've likely heard of her or are
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are mostly cloudy this morning and will remain mostly cloudy today, but it is going to be very mild with our highs in the mid-30s. Let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera. Overcast skies to start out this morning. Our temperatures are already in the low 30s. We are seeing just a few light snow flurries in the air. So for today, a few light scattered snow showers are possible. Little accumulation expected, and that goes into tonight as well. It is going to be very windy and cold tomorrow with our highs just in the low 20s, and a Storm Tracker 2 alert day has been issued on Saturday. So for Saturday, another Arctic front is coming through the area. We are going to once again be seeing widespread very low temperatures. Our high temperature forecaster right now is at 6 degrees, and Friday evening into Saturday morning wind chill values are going to be as low as 30 to 40 degrees below 0, and that with those wind chill values and the temperatures still being below 0 in these hours, that can cause frostbite to any exposed skin within 10 minutes of stepping outside. So we do have a couple wind chill watches in effect for Madison, Oneida, Lewis, and Herkimer. This goes into effect 7 p.m. tomorrow night and lasts until 1 p.m. Saturday due to those wind chill values being able to cause frostbite within 10 minutes of exposure. So I am going to keep an eye out on this, but that is why we issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Saturday. The winds are going to be calm today, and it is going to be pretty mild. Our highs above freezing in the mid-30s, so make sure you enjoy the mild weather today. It is going to get cold tomorrow and windy, so it is going to feel a lot cooler than the actual temperature. The breeze remains on Saturday for a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. Once again, wind chill values getting as low as 30 to 40 degrees below 0, and the winds calm down for Sunday. A look at some of the Skywatcher reports this morning. We are starting out very mild. Our temperatures are in the upper 20s to low 30s. We have 28 in Old Forge Inlet and Oppenheim. We have 30 in Yorkville, 27 in Clinton, and 29 in New Hartford. Going down to the south, we have 30 in Cooperstown, 27 in Emerson and Morris, 31 in West Lawrence. So for today, our high temperature is in the mid-30s. It is going to be mostly cloudy with light scattered snow showers expected, little to no accumulation. Same thing goes for overnight, mostly cloudy with some light scattered snow showers and lows dropping into the 20s. So we are going to be pretty cold tomorrow, and our Storm Tracker 2 alert day remains on Saturday. We are closely watching that nor'easter off the coast on Martin Luther King Day on Monday, and we'll keep you updated with our snowfall forecast within the next day or two.
in the Mohawk Valley, but up north, conditions have been slippery this morning. Lewis County actually issued a travel advisory for black ice and freezing drizzle this morning. So if you are up in that area, slow down and use caution. Meteorologist Hannah Evans is in the Weather Center. And Hannah, we are in store for quite a ride over the next few days.
Yes, we have issued actually 2 Storm Tracker 2 alert days now, one for Saturday because once again we are seeing extremely low temperatures, and for the potential heavy snow on Monday. But right now on the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar is showing not that much activity. We are just seeing a few light snow showers and flurries moving through the area here this afternoon. Kind of will remain this way for the day and tonight. Our temperature at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome is already at 35 degrees, so we are pretty mild for the day today. Scattered light snow showers are expected for today and tonight with little accumulation, but could cause some icy spots on the roadways. It is going to be windy and cold once again tomorrow. We have issued 2 Storm Tracker 2 alert days, one for Saturday due to the bitter cold temperatures and one for Monday due to potential heavy snow. But for the rest of the day, we will remain mostly cloudy with a few scattered snow showers, and I will get into those alert days more coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. And with those expected
Brooks' most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies this afternoon with a few light scattered snow showers in the area, and that will be the same case for tonight. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. We are seeing mostly overcast skies here this afternoon, and on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, a few light scattered snow showers with little to no accumulation are moving through the area. It is going to remain this way throughout the night tonight before drying out for the day tomorrow. This is all due to a little disturbance that is just to the southwest of us, but we are not really going to be seeing any more snow than this or any more accumulation or anything like that. There may just be some icy spots on the roadways. We did get some Skywatcher reports this noon. We are ranging all in the 30s, so it is very, very mild today in comparison for the past couple of days. We have 30 degrees up in Old Forge, 35 in Clinton, and 34 in Cassville. We're also looking at 32 in Mohawk and 35 in Cooperstown, so it is very mild here this afternoon. Temperatures are going to rise to the upper 30s today for the high, so enjoy the mild weather because we have pretty active weekend ahead. We have issued 2 Storm Tracker 2 alert days. One is for Saturday. An Arctic front is going to be moving through on Saturday. Once again, just like last Tuesday, we are going to be seeing widespread bitterly cold temperatures. It may even be a bit colder than last Tuesday. Our high temperatures are only around 0 or just above, and we are going to be seeing pretty low wind chill temperatures. On Monday, we are closely tracking that coastal storm. All we know right now is that the models haven't been changing. The storm is looking to stay in our area, and widespread heavy snow as well as some wind is possible. The timing looks to be Sunday night and for most of the day on Monday. So here is for Saturday. There is a wind chill watch in effect for Oneida, Herkimer, Lewis, and Madison counties from 7 p.m. tomorrow night until 1 p.m. on Saturday. This is just due to very low wind chill values being possible, and with these values, frostbite can happen within 10 minutes of any exposed skin. So this is Friday night at 10 p.m. Our wind chill temperatures are down in the upper teens below 0, and this is Saturday morning. We are looking at the 20s to mid-20s below 0 for those wind chill temperatures, so it is going to feel very, very cold on Saturday. Let's look at everything on our Skycast. We are seeing overcast skies here this afternoon with a few light scattered snow showers, but it is very mild. Same thing goes for overnight. There are going to be a few possible light snow showers, and it is going to remain mostly cloudy with our lows dropping into the 20s. Now for tomorrow, we only have a high in the low 20s, and it is going to be quite windy, so the cold weather is returning tomorrow. Friday night into Saturday, our temperatures do drop way below 0, and for Saturday, our high temperatures are only ranging around 0 or just above. Now for today, we have a high in the mid-30s. It is mild outside. Overnight tonight, we have a low in the low 20s, and a few snow showers are possible. Now we have our Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Saturday due to those very, very low temperatures once again. And we have our Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Monday. We are closely watching that coastal storm, and we are seeing the possibility of some heavy snowfall. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. School districts nation 100 degrees down in Australia here.
No, I wish it was warmer, but no, we are looking at temperatures this afternoon in the mid-30s, so it is mild for us in comparison for the last couple of days. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Just seeing a few light snow showers and flurries in the area. Little accumulation is expected from this. Just be careful for some slippery spots on the roadways. Our temperature measured at Griffith Park Airport in Rome right now is at 35 degrees, and the winds are pretty calm, so it is feeling a lot more mild today. Scattered light snow showers persist for today and tonight with little accumulation expected. It is going to be windy and colder tomorrow with highs just in the low 20s. And Saturday and Monday have been issued as Storm Tracker 2 alert days due to very low temperatures on Saturday and possible heavy snow for Monday. But for the rest of the day, highs in the mid-30s. We are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies, and they will be talking a little further about those 2 alert days coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Governor Hochul has out
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies this afternoon with a few light scattered snow showers in the area. Let's take a look at our CATV tower camera, looking at overcast skies over the city of Utica, and temperatures are very mild. Temperatures are all above 30 right now. Now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, just seeing a few light snow showers and flurries in the area. That will kind of be the theme of today. We are going to be seeing light scattered snow showers today and tonight. Little accumulation is expected at all. Just be careful for some slippery spots on the roadways and on the sidewalks. So we are seeing these light scattered snow showers just due to a little disturbance in the southwestern part of the area. So we are seeing a mostly cloudy skies today because of that, and those light scattered snow showers kind of moving through the area. Some Skywatcher reports did come in this afternoon, all above 30. We were at 30 degrees up in Old Forge, 35 in Clinton, Otsego, Cooperstown, 34 in Cassville, and 32 in Mohawk. So it is feeling very mild outside in comparison for the last couple of days. We have now issued 2 Storm Tracker 2 alert days, one for Saturday and one for Monday. The one on Saturday is due to another Arctic front moving through the area just like last Tuesday, bringing widespread bitterly cold temperatures. Our highs are around 0 or just above. It is looking even colder than it did last Tuesday. Now for Monday, we are closely watching that coastal storm. It is looking like it is going to stay in our area, and we are going to be seeing some potentially heavy snowfall as well as some winds. The timing looks to be Sunday overnight into most of the day on Monday, so we will continue to keep an eye out on that. We do have a couple wind chill watches in effect for Herkimer, Lewis, Oneida, and Madison County from 7 p.m. tomorrow night until 1 p.m. on Saturday. This is due to the wind chill temperatures being extremely low, and frostbite can happen within 10 minutes with these wind chill temperatures of any exposed skin outside in the air. So Saturday is going to be another very, very cold day, just like last Tuesday. So here's a look at those wind chills. This is Friday evening, looking like we are in the teens below 0. And then this is Saturday morning. We are in the mid-20s below 0 for those wind chills. So it is going to feel very, very cold outside. We are mostly cloudy here this afternoon. High temperatures today in the mid to upper 30s. Overnight tonight, our lows will drop into the upper 20s to lower 30s, and we are seeing a few scattered snow showers still. Tomorrow, we are going to decrease in temperature throughout the day with the high just in the low 20s, and it is going to be a little windy. It is remaining dry tomorrow and Saturday, but we are very cold once again on Saturday. Our high temperatures ranging around 0, and waking up in the morning, we will be below 0. Now for today, we have a high in the mid-30s. It is very mild outside. Overnight tonight, lows in the 20s. A few scattered snow showers are expected. So we have our Storm Tracker 2 alert day on Saturday due to very frigid weather, and on Monday due to that potential coastal storm. Back to you, Gary.
We'll be keeping an eye on all that. Hannah, thanks. Aerial footage from Isabella Island
in Copeland.
I'm Jason Paulus. The hot story today is how cold it's going to get on Saturday.
Plus new information on the potential for heavy snow to start the new week. Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis tracking it all from the Weather Center tonight. Bill, good evening.
Good evening, Jason and Kristen. We are following more active weather here. We're going to start with what's coming next, and that is the cold. We have a wind chill warning issued by the National Weather Service for the entire area. Again, this is for Saturday morning. Wind chills expected to be 20 to 30 below 0. This is all about frostbite time. When we talk about wind chill, it's about frostbite on exposed skin. And it could take place between about 15 to 30 minutes if you're outside and you have exposed skin Saturday morning. So a heads up, we're talking about more frigid weather here to start the weekend. Before we get there, we do have some weather to track tonight. We are following a cold front that will work in from the west. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. How about above freezing today? 36 degrees. As we head into this evening, temperatures will remain above freezing under mostly cloudy skies. Tracking some very light snow tonight, windy conditions tomorrow, frigid conditions Saturday, and we are keeping an eye on Monday with some heavy snow possible. A look at that forecast coming up. Back over to you.
A state police canine.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking a cold front that will be arriving late tonight, and it brings a lot of wind to the area tomorrow, along with a big drop in temperature, especially by Saturday morning. Let's take a live look outside. This is our CAVV tower cam. We are overlooking the city of Utica. We can see some twilight under mostly cloudy skies. Weather's pretty quiet this evening. It is mild. Temperatures are above freezing. So finally seeing some of that ice that we saw Sunday starting to turn to slush this evening. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We do have a couple of very light showers to the west. We do expect a cold front to roll through the region late tonight, and that will bring a few light snow showers. Dolgeville, 31 degrees, Little Falls, 32, Whitesboro, 34, Rome, 35, across Southern Valleys, Sherburne, 38, Skenevis, 36, and Hamilton with 36. It's actually a pleasant evening for January standards to go for a walk. If you are going to be taking the dog for a walk, expect temperatures to remain above freezing over the next few hours. Tonight's featured dog is Lola. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. And by the way, always appreciate the booties for the dog this time of the year. When we have salt on the roads, sometimes it can dry out the dog's paws. So boots are pretty helpful at this time of the year. So you look at the radar and satellite image. We are looking at cloudy skies. That will continue tonight. A cold front sweeps through the region as we head into late tonight, and it does give us a couple of light snow showers here. This is mostly after midnight. It's a windy Friday. We start out with temperatures in the upper 20s. Look what happens as we head into Friday afternoon. Temperatures are going to dive. We'll be in the low teens by 5 p.m. Frigid Friday night. Overnight lows likely 5 to 15 degrees below zero as we head into Saturday morning. And Saturday looks to be another frigid day with high temperatures only in the single digits. We have an alert day for Saturday due to the bitterly cold temperatures, the wind chills well below zero. We also have an alert day for Monday because we are watching for the potential of widespread snowfall accumulation. Some of this could be heavy, at least for parts of the area. The wind chill Saturday gets as cold as 25 to 30 below zero in the morning. As we head into Saturday afternoon, the wind chills stay below zero. It just won't be quite as bone-chilling cold Saturday afternoon. In addition to the cold, we're also keeping a very close eye on Monday's system. There's a lot of variability in the storm track being several days out, but we do want to give you the heads up that we're looking at snowfall, widespread snowfall. This is not looking to be a major event for at least our local standards, but we do expect to see widespread snow. The heaviest, at least at this point, looks to fall in western New York, but that could change because we are tracking changes in the storm track that are still possible over the next couple of days. We'll keep you posted. We do plan on having a snowfall forecast as we head into the start of the weekend. Tonight, down to 22, a few snow showers. Tomorrow, windy and cold. Temperatures in the upper 20s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, bitterly cold Saturday, a high of 6. Sunday's pretty quiet. Sunshine 21 after a cold start. Monday, snow 32, some light snow Tuesday. Temperatures in the mid-30s again, looking ahead to Wednesday.
All right, Bill, thank you. The Long Island as a couple of storm tracker alert days around the horizon. Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Yeah, we're starting with the wind chill and the cold weather Saturday. I just wanted to take a minute to explain why wind chill. Why do we push these numbers in the first place? What is this all about? When there's no wind, your body, as it gives off heat, the air around your body insulates you, and it feels a little bit warmer when there's no wind. When there is wind, the wind whisks away that heat, and your body cools off faster. That's the science behind wind chill. The numbers themselves, you can't measure them. They're calculated. The numbers themselves really are drawn to frostbite time. When there's wind, when there's exposed skin, frostbite happens sooner compared to when there's no wind. In conditions that we're expecting Saturday morning, frostbite time is between about 15 to 30 minutes on exposed skin. When your skin's not exposed, the danger is a lot lower. So again, we always ask folks to dress in layers, limit time outdoors. Again, the worst of this will be Saturday morning. Conditions will improve as we head into Saturday afternoon. It'll be a cold day, but the real danger is only in the morning. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A cold front is sweeping in from the west. This will bring the beginning of our plunge in temperature. This evening, temperatures will remain near or above freezing. We will see some colder weather begin Friday, and again, it really bottoms out as we head into the start of the weekend. We're tracking that and also the possibility of some widespread snowfall, some heavy snow possible Monday. That forecast is coming out. Kristen, back to you.
The expected
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking some much colder weather ahead, especially as we head into the start of the weekend. Talking about wind chills well below zero. A live look outside. This is our Cavity Tower cam. It was a mild day today. Temperatures made it above freezing. And again, I hope you had a chance to get out and get rid of cabin fever for a little bit, because again, you're going to want to hunker down here at least for Saturday morning. It's not going to be cold all day Saturday, at least not the frigid temperatures. The snow, by the way, should be in really good shape where it has fallen pretty heavy north of the valley. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, we are tracking a cold front approaching from the west, and this is going to kick up the winds. The winds are going to be blustery as we head into the next couple of days, specifically Friday and Monday. Those will be the windiest days. The breeze Saturday will be with us, but Sunday looks to be the day with calmest winds. Norway 34, Gray 33, Schuyler, John with 31 degrees, Barneveld 32, Old Forge 31. Across the southern valleys, Worcester 35, Richfield 35 degrees, and Helen and Cassville checking in with 34. We are tracking that cold front as it continues to approach from the west. Again, this is going to bring a big drop in the temperature over the next 24 hours. Tonight, the front brings just a couple of very light snow showers, cloudy skies, temperatures drop down into the mid-20s. It starts out in the 20s Friday morning with cloudy skies. As that front rolls through, check out what happens to the temperature. It goes down very quickly in the afternoon. By 5 p.m., we're only in the single digits, in fact, even below zero already in the Adirondacks. It is going to be very cold Friday night. Overnight lows drop below zero, about 5 to 15 below zero for many areas. And that's not factoring in the wind chill. That's just the air temperature. Heading into Saturday, it's a sunny day. And again, if you're dressed properly, actually probably a decent day to enjoy some winter sports, at least in the afternoon time with temperatures in the single digits. It will be a lot more winter friendly on Sunday as it's going to be a lot less cold. We're watching Monday closely. We're keeping an eye on a coastal system that's expected to move into central New York. Heaviest snowfall possible Sunday night and into early Monday. The ultimate amount of snowfall is highly dependent on the track, which several days out is still uncertain. But it does look like the more to the west you go, the more likely that we could see double-digit snowfall totals. At this point, it is out of our area, but again, we're right on the fringe here, so things could definitely change. A heads up here, talking about potential heavy snowfall Sunday night and into early Monday. Tonight, a few snow showers, a low of 22. A windy and cold day tomorrow, an early high of 27. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. That alert day for Saturday for the cold. Temperatures in the single digits. Sunday 21, mostly sunny. Another alert day for Monday. Again, heaviest snow early in the day. Temperatures in the low 30s. Light snow Tuesday. Temperatures in the 30s on Wednesday before it gets cold again. Looking ahead to next Thursday. We'll be right back.
important forecast. The hot story is the cold weather.
Yeah, it's coming back. It's going to be colder Saturday than it was on Tuesday. We have wind chill warnings in effect. The wind chill is expected to be 25 to 30 below zero. That wind chill warning in effect for all of central New York. In these conditions, with exposed skin, frostbite happens in 30 minutes or less, about 15 to 30 minutes in these conditions. Again, the worst of this is going to be Saturday morning. By Saturday afternoon, the wind chill will become a lot less serious. Still a cold day, though. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're tracking some light rain showers approaching from the west. It is a mild day. Temperatures made it above freezing as we head into this evening. Again, a few light rain and snow showers. This is part of a cold front that's going to bring this big drop in temperature. We're also giving you the latest updates on the possibility of some heavy snowfall Monday. That forecast is coming up. Back over to you.
A state police canine with
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're tracking some big-time cold weather to return as we head into the start of the weekend, even colder than we've experienced earlier this week. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cabby Tower Cam. If you're heading out this evening, the weather is mild. We're above freezing. This will be the warmest day of the week. We've got 2 alert days in the 7-day. First for Saturday, we're looking at temperatures that are expected to go below 0 Friday night. Wind chill values 15 to 30 below 0. So the frostbite time Saturday morning on exposed skin is 15 to 30 minutes. Monday, we have an alert day for the potential of widespread snowfall. Still working on the track of that coastal storm, but it is likely that we'll see some impacts, not expecting the direct hit, but likely seeing some impacts with that. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're looking at some scattered light rain and snow showers approaching from the west as a cold front arrives. This kicks up the wind for Friday. Friday, a windy and cold day. Breezy conditions Saturday. The winds return on Monday. Curtis Corners 31 degrees, Paynes Hollow 32. Again, most areas above freezing today, some melting snow. Richfield 35, Cooperstown 37, and Milford checking in with 33 degrees. Tracking a cold front approaching from the west, this will cause the temperature to plummet as we head into Friday. You can see on our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, we are generally dry tonight. Just a couple of light flurries, a little accumulation. We start out in the 20s tomorrow morning. Watch what happens to the temperature. We fall quickly. We're down into the single digits by 5 p.m. Friday. The plunge continues below 0 Friday night. And we start out Saturday morning with temperatures well below 0. It's going to be a very cold Saturday afternoon. Wind chills bottom out Saturday morning between 25 to 30 below 0. North Country could be even colder than that. Again, dress in layers if you're heading out Saturday. The weather will improve Sunday. Will become a lot less cold. Keeping an eye on the next weather system for Monday. This is getting a lot of buzz. At this point, the heaviest snow is to the west. It can easily change, and that's why we're going to be issuing our snowfall forecast likely on Saturday. We want to give you the heads up here as we get better, more reliable information. We do plan on letting you know how much we think could fall. Again, look for that in the next couple of days. Tonight, down to 22. A few snow showers. Tomorrow, sunshine, cold. Temperatures early, an early high of 27, much colder throughout the day. Bitter cold Saturday, dry Sunday. Snow Monday. Temperatures back into the 30s, looking ahead to Wednesday. Back over to you.
All right, Bill. Thank you. The expected.
Now for a first look at the forecast tonight, let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. We're tracking some bitterly cold weather in our future. This is going to happen on Saturday morning. A wind chill warning in effect for all of central New York because of the very cold wind chills, meaning frostbite is possible in 30 minutes or less with the conditions expected Saturday morning. Air temperatures 5 to 15 below 0, and with wind, again, 20 to 30 below 0 with the wind chill. We're tracking a cold front that's moving through the area now, and this is going to be the catalyst that eventually brings the temperature to those levels by Saturday morning. A few very light sprinkles and snow showers are possible as that front rolls through over the next couple of hours. It's still above freezing at Griffiths and Rome, 34 degrees. Our weather headlines: that cold front rolls through tonight. Windy conditions tomorrow. We start out in the 20s. We'll finish in the teens and single digits. And we've got Storm Tracker 2 alert days for Saturday with the cold and Monday with the potential of snowfall. Tonight, a few snow showers. Temperatures settle back into the low 20s. Again, tracking some very cold weather, and also an early look at how much snowfall, or at least where the heavy snowfall could fall on Monday. And that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New information tonight on an...
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. This is our Cabby Tower Cam. We're overlooking the city of Utica. Pretty quiet conditions tonight. The weather becomes a lot more active. We have not one but 2 alert days issued for different reasons. Saturday, it's going to be frigid. It's going to be even colder than it was on Tuesday. Wind chill values plummeting well below 0. Frostbite times less than what we saw on Tuesday. So again, pretty big deal here. Not going to last all day. It's mainly a concern in the morning, but we'll have the alert for the entire afternoon. Monday, another alert day. This time, we're watching a coastal storm. Widespread snow is possible, along with some wind. Timing would be Sunday night and Monday. There are still question marks as to how much snow could fall in central New York. Just reading some of the hype about this, there's some people that are just convinced that this is going to be a major event. Not so fast. We still have to wait and see how this plays out. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Tracking a cold front approaching from the west. It's windy in the wake of that front on Friday, tomorrow. We'll talk about the wind gusts in a second. The winds become less on Saturday, light on Sunday, and then windy conditions here for Monday. Have a look at the wind. Relatively light tonight. Once the front rolls through, we will see the winds pick up from the north as we get into Friday. North winds between 10 to 20 miles an hour, wind gusts between 20 to 30 miles an hour. So it's going to get much colder and much breezier throughout Friday afternoon. Winds are around into early Saturday before the winds become later on Sunday. The bigger picture shows, again, a cold front rolling through tonight. And again, the winds abruptly turn into the north. Not a lot of snow with this front, just a light coating is possible. The clouds are stubborn through the morning, but with that north wind kicking in, we do expect to see some sunshine. Friday's high temperature early in the day in the 20s. We're dropping throughout the afternoon. It is much colder Friday evening and bitterly cold as we head into Saturday morning. Air temperatures 10 to 15 below zero. Again, the wind chills will be much colder than that. Single digits for the high on Saturday. We look ahead to Monday, and the most likely heaviest snowfall looks to fall to the west. At least that's with the current track of the storm. We do expect some accumulation, and we want to give you a heads up here. But again, at the moment, it looks like the really heavy stuff will be missing central New York. We'll continue to keep you posted. A few snow showers tonight, down to 22, 27 for the high tomorrow. Windy. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Bitter cold Saturday. Sunday looks nice. Mostly sunny, 21 after a very cold start. The alert day for Monday, snow 32. Light snow on Tuesday. Temperatures in the low 30s on Wednesday. We'll be right back.
There. Let's get you over to the Weather Center. First look at the forecast. There's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, we're looking ahead to Saturday. Very cold temperatures are in the forecast along with the wind. We're expecting some very cold wind chills. A wind chill warning in effect for Friday night and into Saturday across all of central New York. Air temperatures drop 5 to 15 below zero. The wind chills bottom out 20 to 30 below zero. In these conditions, frostbite is possible in less than 30 minutes, about 15 to 30 minutes for conditions Saturday morning. This is even colder than what we experienced on Tuesday. And this is one of our alert days on the 7-day. The other one is Monday, as we are tracking some snow. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is a cold front approaching from the west. Our current temperature is still a very mild 34, but temperatures will be falling tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. We're also expecting some wind throughout tomorrow afternoon. We're going to track the winds coming up. We're also talking about Saturday and Monday being Storm Tracker 2 alert days. Tonight, a few snow showers, lows in the low 20s. Again, tracking some big changes in the weather, and also look at that snowfall that's possible on Monday, and that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New information tonight.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is our Cab B tower cam. It is a pretty quiet night across the region. We are tracking not one but two alert days in the forecast. Saturday, it's expected to be even colder than it was Tuesday. Overnight lows drop between 5 to 15 below zero, and with the wind, frostbite times will be less than a half an hour on exposed skin. So a pretty nasty cold here Saturday, potentially dangerous if you're not prepared for this. Monday, potential of heavy snowfall, at least for parts of the area. Coastal system approaching. This is most likely going to give us the highest impact Sunday night and into early Monday. The Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking a cold front moving into the region late this evening. It brings wind on Friday and cold temperatures to follow on Saturday. Breezy conditions, more wind in the forecast Monday. Let's take a look at the wind speeds as we head into Friday. The winds will be picking up throughout the day from the north between about 10 to 20 miles an hour. Wind gusts, the highest winds, could be as high as 20 to 30 miles an hour. So it will be a windy afternoon. Winds continue into early Saturday morning. This is why we have the wind chill warning, because the combination of wind and air temperature will make it feel like 25 to 30 below zero. And again, it's the wind chill is all about how quickly you can get frostbite on exposed skin, less than a half an hour. Radar and satellite image showing a cold front approaching from the west. Again, this will be rolling through the region tonight. Not a lot of weather with this in terms of snowfall, just a few light snow showers and flurries. Friday starts out cloudy. The sunshine breaks out as we head throughout the day. Look what happens to the temperature. We start out in the 20s and we end in the teens and single digits, so it does get a lot colder throughout Friday afternoon. Bitterly cold heading into Friday night and early Saturday. Again, we're dealing with that wind chill bottoming out 25 to 30 below zero Saturday morning. Let's talk about Monday. This is all the buzz on social media and some of the national news. Where this big weather system is coming from is the south, and it's expected to move through central New York. There are still plenty of questions to be had. One of the biggest things is, where does the heavy snowfall take place? At this point, it looks like western New York. There could be a lot more snow in Buffalo compared to central New York based on the current track of this storm. So again, just kind of setting expectations here. It's still early to put out a snowfall map. We're expecting to do one as we head into Saturday at the earliest. But again, a heads up, we're looking at a widespread snowfall, accumulations to be determined. A few snow showers tonight, down to 22. Tomorrow, windy, much colder, a high of 27. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, an alert day for Saturday for the cold, an alert day for Monday for the potential of snow. Tuesday's high 25. We're back to the 30s by Wednesday. We'll be right back.